right, Shamo, guys, how we doing? Guess where we're at? It's your boy Elvis Rods in Lisbon. That's right. Thought I'd make it out over here, see what's going on with this wonderful city and this wonderful country. Such an historic nation, a tiny nation that has had an influence halfway across the globe, a huge shipping, or I should say a seafaring nation back in the days. And yeah, I'm right over here. I'm actually gonna be walking down to the historic site, Cais da Calunes. Hopefully I pronounced that right, but it's a historic place right around the waterfront. And the place that you see behind me, pretty touristy. A lot of shops, restaurants, cafes, dotted along the avenue that leads you to the waterfront where we're heading right now. Weather's amazing, just a light jacket that's needed. Gift. Yay! Wait. This what we're seeing is the Tagus River. What are we saying? Yeah! So we just reached the neighborhood of Bairro Alto. It's supposed to be a pretty nice neighborhood, historic. Apparently there's some nightlife here too, if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna find out, but out here in the middle of the park, got a nice cafe that's right behind me. But also got a couple of cafes right over there too, so I'm gonna pop by, see what's over there and just get some stuff and enjoy being around the square. I mean, it's a great day. The weather's amazing. I've been told we're lucky the past couple of days what it's looking like. It's not raining, so we'll find out. So really glad to be here. So this is like their national dessert, pastel de nata. And I'm gonna try it over here. I've had it before out in Toronto. I've had the pleasure of being introduced to it out there, but here's where it's at, right? Oh, wow. Wow. That custard-like texture, goodness all in one, and fresh. Wow. And then I got myself one of these coconut breads. They look delicious, so I asked what it was. They said it was coconut, and can't go wrong with that. But let me take a bite.
You want me to get you the whole wheat?
Moist on the top with coconut and a soft texture. Hits that sweet tooth spot, so wow. Bang on. They've got it there too? So those purple flowers that you see are very, very common here in Portugal, I've been told. Looks really, really pretty. It's like every nook and corner is a surprising hill or a downslope. Just these beautiful views. Look at that. These cute little bars that dot the downhill road. So here we are at the Fonte Rosio, which is supposed to be their main square out over here. That's where we came from. That beautiful street with the stairs. There's the fountain right there. I like really good stuff. Portuguese tapas, the portion sizes are bigger than your usual Spanish. So good bang for your buck. But so far the food's been great. Love it.
Se é pois pecado ter amor ao fado, que Deus me perdoe.
As pessoas são como aos livros. Algumas enganam pela capa, outras surpreendem pelo conteúdo.
Very good. Yeah.